Few sights in nature are as captivating as a waterfall. This is one of the greatest natural wonders of the world. The misty spray that lingers in the air, the constant, graceful cascade. It's truly a force of nature. Waterfalls are more than just falling water. Standing before one, you can feel both serenity and power. It's power, motion, and silence, all in one moment. It looks majestic against the backdrop of green mountains. It's located in a pristine, untouched part. The view is breathtaking. A torrent of water crashes down the cliff face. Waterfalls don't just move water, they move us.